Let me welcome on board Nooresh as well as Kunal and find out what they're making of the trading temperament right now. Nooresh, Kunal, hi, morning. Nooresh, let me start off with you. Didn't quite sustain and hold on to that 19,500 print. We've seen the Nifty Bank actually drag quite a fair bit in the week gone by, especially post-policy. What do you see on the charts now?
So we are still in that consolidation phase, which is where we are not seeing great trends in terms of momentum either on the Nifty or on the Bank Nifty. If you look at the Nifty, we are back in that grinding range of 19,300 to 19,650, 700 on the upper end. So till the time we are in this range, there is no major view on the index as such. At the same time, the breadth is not that bad. So the broader markets are still doing fine with a better consolidation. The whole, say, the Nifty total market cap index is much closer to the all-time highs than the Nifty is. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has started showing some bit of weakness by breaking the recent lows, but it is 44,000, 44,200 remains an important support. If we break that, then there gets a chance for a correction to 43,300, 500 levels. For now, this is a zone where one should be looking out for a reversal on the Bank Nifty as well as on the Nifty. So closer to 19,400 odd levels, you want to be looking at a buy for a bounce back. So my view is from a dip closer to 19,400 odd levels, we could see some bit of a bounce back. And on the Bank Nifty from 44,000, 44,200 should be a bounce back zone.
Kunal is also with us in our studios. Kunal, hi, let's get a sense of what you're making of the overall trade setup. The fact that it's indications of a gap down on the gift Nifty this morning, and we wrapped up lower by 0.5% on Friday.
So, the sector trends are a bit negative, if I can use that word, for the indices, because Bank Nifty managed to break below the previous relative swing low. So, when we do a like-to-like comparison over the last 1 month, that Nifty made a low of 90,300, 310, and then we bounced off. We're still protecting about that 90,300 mark, but Bank Nifty, it formed a low at 44,500 levels on the same day when the Nifty was that at that 90,300 mark. Bank Nifty has broken below those levels. So that clearly shows signs of weakness across the market internals. Also, we look at it this way, that the indices are forming a probable head and shoulder pattern on the daily charts, and that could be a bit tricky because formations of head and shoulder pattern on the daily charts generally indicates that a near-term top or a major top could be in place for the indices, and we could be looking at not just a mild correction, but a correction which could be more price-wise as well as time-wise. So, would not be too much enthused into buying the indices over the very short term, even if there is any kind of a mild bounce back in between, because the near-term trend seems to have reversed on the negative side for the indices. So, would remain a bit neutral on the indices, not too much of trade on the index, but it has to be stock specific.